The windscreen replacement process begins with the preparation of the vehicle. The first step is to remove the windscreen panel, wipers, rear view mirror, and window glazing seals if the car has them. We also need to protect neighboring surfaces against damage using ball masking tape or ball windscreen tape. After that, we prepare the puncture with an attached wire cut to the appropriate length. We pierce the wire through the layer of glue in the most convenient place, usually at the bottom. We attach it to special handles and start cutting out the old windscreen. Once the glass has been cut out, we can remove it using the windscreen holder. Then we clear away the remains of glue, preparing the bodywork for gluing the new windscreen. The new glass must be thoroughly degreased with Ball silicone remover from a pressure container or Ball universal cleaner degreaser spray. We should pay particular attention to the areas where Ball primer and Ball glass adhesive will be applied, on the windshield and on the body. Then we apply the primer to the glass and body edge using Ball felt applicator. In the meantime, we should prepare Ball windscreen tape, which will protect the glass against displacement and sliding on fresh adhesive immediately after installation. 15 minutes after applying the primer, we can apply Ball adhesive for windscreen using manual or pneumatic gun. At this stage, depending on the scope of work, we can choose standard or sprint version. The glue should be applied evenly, in one stroke, so that there are no gaps through which water could leak. Remember that the beginning and end of the applied glue should overlap each other. After applying the glue, we immediately start installing the glass. Once the windscreen is properly glued and secured, we can start mounting previously dismantled car elements.